So good day everyone. I am Deck Cadet Bayadog Marc, and I'm here to demonstrate how to plot the fixed position using two stars, which is Marc and Resolve. So first thing is we must plot the DR position, which is 44 degrees 10 minutes north, which is here. Sorry, my bad. Here is our 44 degrees, and the longitude is 169, which is here. So that's our DR position. So next step is we must locate the calculated ZN of our markup. So here is we measure the compass rose or compass. Here is our ZN of the markup. So next is to drag the ZN to here in this line. So when we manage to drag it, this line will be our ZN. So next is to calculate the intercept. So which is 5.2 away from the star. So here is measure it from our compass divider. Here is 5.2 away from the star, which means away is, and this will be the intercept away from the star. So next is when we get the intercept of 5.2 away, so we must measure the initial line, which is the 90 degrees angle. Here is, and we must line here to measure it from the bottom to the top here. So here's intercept line here, intercept line. So in order to get the position line and PL1 and PL2, we must use the method taught us by Sir, so which is plus and minus. So our PL1 is 85.2, so we must subtract it by 90, so the PL1 is 355.2, and PL2 is also 85.2, which is here. Add by 90, which is 175.2 degrees. So that's how you calculate the PL1 and PL2. So the next step is when you finish measuring the PL1 and PL2, you must plot the longitude and latitude of the PL1 and PL2. So here is our calculated latitude and longitude, which is 44 degrees and 10 minutes north, and longitude 169 degrees 22 minutes east. So here is our 44 degrees 10 minutes in this line here, and 169 degrees here. And now we are done with the markup star. So next step is to calculate the second star, which is the Russell has with the ZN with the calculated ZN of 183.3. And here is we must first to calculate the ZN of Russell, we must plot here our ZN to the compass, which is here, right? Calculated or plotted. So next step is from here, you must drag the ZN from here by using our triangular ruler. Drag, and must get the ZN of our result hat. So next step is we must plot the 6.4 by using our compass divider. So here are 6.4 and put here in our DR position is here. So that's how you calculate initial position, which is 6.4. Next step is we must get the 90 degrees angle. Here is our ZN of Marc also hack here, and drag your triangular ruler to straighten, and and you will have your PL1 and PL2. When calculating the PL1 and PL2, same process from the markup, you must add and subtract. So PL1 of the result hack is 183.3, so we must add by 90 degrees. So the answer is 273.3, and PL2 is 183.3 minus 90 degrees, which is, answer is 93.3. So that's how you calculate the PL and PL2. Same process from the markup. And next step is when we finish measuring the ITP and the ZN of our result hats, we must, to get the fixed position of your ship, here is our measurement. The intercept of your PL1 and PL2 will be your ship's position. So Marc put a circle here to identify your ship's position. The intercept of markup and result has, which is determine your ship's fixed position. So the calculated fixed position, latitude and longitude is 44 degrees and 04 minutes north, and longitude 169 degrees 20 minutes east. So that's how you get or calculate the fixed position using 2 stars.